In today's video, I'll be telling you the correct order for applying makeup for beginners so as to achieve this beautiful, flawless, soft glam look. So if that's something you're interested in, then make sure to stay tuned and keep on watching. Now, the first thing you want to do is to draw on your brows, and you want to do this because you need to take your time to do your brows, and doing them first is going to allow you to take your time to carefully draw them on. And the second reason is because you don't want to get any foundation on your brow hairs, because it might be a bit technical to take out or to walk through. So you want to do your brow hairs first. The next thing you want to do obviously is to apply some eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow it could be as simple as going in with some color on the crease and then some color on the lid, literally that simple. And you want to do your eyeshadow first before doing the rest of your makeup, because you want to avoid any fallouts from the eyeshadow onto your base makeup, because it could be difficult to take out, especially with shimmery colors. The next step is to put on some eyeliner, and this is another reason why you would want to do your eye makeup first, because as a beginner, doing your eyeliner might require you to actually rest your hand on your face, and if you've done your base makeup already, this can make your base makeup to get smudged, and you totally want to avoid that. So it's best to do your eyes before the rest of your face. Next, you want to apply some mascara onto your lashes to give them more volume and length. The next thing you want to do is to prep your lips with some lip balm to avoid them being crusty. Now we're moving into the base makeup, and the first thing you want to do for your base, as always, is to apply some primer. After applying your primer, you want to apply your foundation all over your face. The next step is to go in with some concealer to highlight the center of your face. After highlighting the center of your face, you want to go in with some contour to bring back some of that structure and dimension into your face. And as always, you want to blend, 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 and blend again to be able to get that seamless, flawless finish. The next step would be to apply some blush. And following that, you want to set your under eye area with some loose setting powder. And also do the same to your chin and all the areas you concealed. Now the next step would be to apply some pressed powder to set your foundation in place. You also want to do this with your contour powder to set the areas you contoured in place. And the next step would be to apply some blush powder as well. Now after that, the next thing would be to apply some highlighter to the high points of your face to bring that glow into your face. Now we're done with the base. We're going to go ahead and finish up the lower eyes, and you want to apply some eyeshadow to the lower eyelid. After that, you want to line your waterline with some eyeliner. And the next thing would be to apply some mascara to your lower lashes. Next, you want to take off that lip balm. And now we're going in with some lip liner to line the lips. After lining the lips, you just want to go in with your lipstick, any lipstick of your choice. And after blending your lipstick and your lip liner in thoroughly, the next step would be to go in with some gloss. And here I just wanted to show the look without lashes. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and put on some lashes now. I like to do this as the last step because I also like to take my time with this, and I have already finished everything, so I can just take my time with it. Yeah, so putting on some lashes was the last step, but this is the final step. You want to set everything in. Listen to me, set everything in with some setting spray. And yeah guys, here's the finished look. If you follow this video step by step, then I can guarantee that your makeup will turn out looking as flawless as this, because this is the correct order of makeup application for beginners. Now, as you go along in your makeup journey, you can start to switch things up, but as a beginner, just to keep things short and simple and very easy to understand, this is perfect for you. Now that you know the correct order to apply in your makeup, if you want to know the products you need for your makeup kit, then this video right here is definitely for you, because in that video I gave you a straight to the point product list breakdown of all the products that you need in your kit. As usual, if you liked this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.